So recently I decided to do something experimental, and this is just gonna make you say wow. So here it is.
Perfect.
So I posted it a few days ago, and if you look at the stats, just you insights, you will see that Instagram really liked this video. 11,000 people saw this. I got 8,000 extra people who saw this just from hashtags. And yeah, most likely you don't say anything because the screen is white for you. Sometimes I'm just so stupid. But only sometimes, not always. And as you already guessed, in this video you will watch videos of cute cats. Okay, I'm kidding. Of course I will show you how to create that effect in the video. But for that we need to go 3 days back so you can actually see the whole process, how it was done. And let me just take my time machine. Where is it? Here it is. I found it. So let's go back to past, right? So today is 27th of May and I have 2 news, one bad and one good. And let's start with the good one. I have a really crazy idea for an artwork, video art I would say. And second one, I lost my tripod, so I had to use toilet papers in order to put my camera here and record my classes. You know why? Because I'm smart as and also because I didn't have time yet to go and buy a new one. I'm going to hold the fan in my hand, I'm going to point it to my head and I'm going to make it on. I want to make an effect almost like if my head would be blown away, almost like by the wind. So first of all I need to find a place to do that, and I'm thinking of doing it here. So I want to place my camera here and then it's going to look this way. So it's going to look at me and then I'm going to enter and then I'm going to have a fan in my head. The only problem is that I don't know where to put my camera exactly so it doesn't really fall because it's dangerous, and I have only one camera, and if I f it up then I'm myself because it's expensive as Okay, that was 3 in one sentence. So here's my tripod. Let's see if I can actually make it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to place it somewhere here. Open the thing and no, as you can see it's falling down, and I mean I can put it on toilet paper, but no, I won't do it because my camera is too expensive. I have an idea, maybe it's the stupidest idea ever, but it is an idea at least, you know. I'm just gonna use books. And here are the books. As you can see it works, but I just need few more, and I have no idea what books are these. They are not even mine. Yeah, exactly, you heard it right, that books are not even mine. So which ones should I grab? Okay, that should work. As you can see, it looks pretty good. You see, I told you I'm smart. Come on, you just have to trust me. So here is it. I think I should probably make my hair wet. Yeah, it is wet. And now it all starts. Ta-da! I'm just gonna go in and hold it like that. So here's the thing, I'm gonna act like if this camera is a mirror, okay? I also need to capture the sound of the fan so I can then replace it in the video. That should work. New project. And let's name it Vanishing Me. So I know it's a stupid name, but who cares? Let's just import this. First of all, I need to think where I'm actually going to stop it. That's it. And wait, how do we make photo? Put frame. Okay, export frame. BMP, no, PNG, and now, okay, let's see, boom. So now I need to take the image and place it in Photoshop, and let me actually create a new layer, and I want to use this tool called smudge tool, and I want to try to smudge it from right to the left, so basically to move it. So for example, if I click once here and then I hold shift and I click here, as you can see, it automatically is going to draw from point A to point B. Let's actually go back. I want to start again. So I need to get rid of my video. Yeah, so let me actually turn this off. Good. So it's not going to bounce the screen. And also I have to make sure I don't see the brush, so if I click caps lock I don't see it. I click here once and then I hold shift, I click and then I move my mouse fast so I don't see it. Okay, this should be fine now. Let me click stop, probably, yeah. And I need to import the video, the recording that I just made. And now I can just take it and import it here. And I just have to cut it, you know. So now I have all of them cut it out, and if I just play, as you can see, it's moving away one by one. So I actually need to make them move at the same time. So for example, when this one is moving, I also need the other one to start moving. So now if I test it out just to see how it came out, so here I'm entering the room. As you can see, you just saw the title, how to create art. I'm taking the fan and boom. So here I want to stop you. As you can see, my camera is shaking. So for example, if I play, so during the last frames when it's actually wiping out my head, in order to make it more realistic, I added a wiggle effect, and what it actually does, it starts moving the camera like this. So it looks more realistic because, you know, it's strong wind and that's why it's wiggling. I don't know if you can say that. And I did it using After Effects. So you can just go to After Effects and then Effects, and you can just choose wiggle and it's gonna do everything automatically for you. And let's have a look, another look at this beautiful moment. So you see the camera is shaking. That's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this behind the process video, and let me know if I should do more of this stuff, and make sure to like, comment and share this with your friends so I create more and more and more videos every single week. Bye bye.